So, where were we? Oh yeah, we were exploring Likabali, Arunachal Pradesh, and let me tell you, the roads are so fine out here. I mean, one of them literally got me running, and like you know me, I never go out for running or jogging for now, but yeah, this road was so amazing, I literally started jogging. But anyways, we'll leave this for later. Let me take you to a hidden picnic spot first. Well, why did I call this place a hidden picnic spot? Because it's off-road and we got lost many times looking for this place. Guys, हम रास्ता भटक गए हैं. Oh, we are heading to the river stream now. को यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पानी दिख रहा है और आगे जाके पूरा पानी है, तो हम वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. This stream is like really shallow. You can easily walk through it. I mean, you can see those trucks easily crossing over क्योंकि आसपास यहाँ पे construction चल रहा है और हम भी यहाँ पे easily walk करके आए हैं, तो आप आराम से इसको cross कर सकते हो walk करके. थोड़ा slippery है, आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, but yeah, you can easily walk through it and you know have a picnic. So December and January are the two most popular months for picnic because of New Year's and also Magh Bihu, which we celebrate as Makar Sankranti in rest of India. So this place gets quite crowded at that point of time, and we tried to come here via Google Maps and trust me, it did not work. So what we did is we asked a few localites and they have guided us to this place. So I would suggest if you plan to come to Likabali for picnic and especially to this spot, once you cross the gates, just ask a localite where is this river stream and they'll guide you to this place. And anyways, ये video तो आपने देखा ही है, so just open it and show it to them and they'll figure it out and they'll guide you to this place. And also यहाँ पे एक iron bridge है आसपास और last time जब मैं आई थी it was broken, so we could not walk through it और अभी शायद उसी का ही construction चल रहा है. So just make sure that whenever you come here for picnics, do not litter the place and keep it as clean as it is. So let me just guide you a little bit on how to reach Likabali. So there is a place in Assam called Silapathar in Dhemaji district. So you have to cross Silapathar to get to Likabali. And Likabali is not a very popular place, so you won't see many tourists around here, but it's definitely a calm and peaceful hideout for a nature lover. Check this out. And this place is so beautiful, you can just turn around your camera anywhere, it's all Instagram worthy. So we have stopped at a place from where we could see the Siang Hills clearly, and it's really beautiful. And these pretty little huts that you see, they're all made out of bamboos and haystack. And ये actually tea stalls or vegetable stalls है, जो शायद किसी reason के लिए आज बंद है. But still, look at them, they're so pretty. And that is my crazy family on the backdrop. And this is the view behind me. So what did I tell you? This place is totally Instagram worthy, and on a fine Sunday, if you are nearby Silapathar and you have no plans, so just come here with your family and friends and check it out, take some pictures and have fun. And there is a very interesting place nearby, it's called Akashi Ganga. And to reach there, you will have to start from top of the hill and go down approximately 1206 stairs to reach that beautiful spot, and it's totally worth it. And there are a few resting spots in between the staircases, so you can rest there for 5 minutes before you resume your journey. And don't forget, you'll have to climb back up again, so it's a total of 2412 stairs approximately. So make sure you prepare yourselves before you go there. So if you have watched my previous video that was on the Malini Than temple, now we are heading towards its twin, that is the Rukmini Than temple. People here call it as the twin temple of Likabali, and both these temples are of ancient times. And legends say that when Mata Rukmini was forced to marry Shishupal against her wishes, Lord Krishna took her away from there, and they were traveling towards Dwarka when they stopped at a place and they were greeted by Lord Shiva and Parvati, who presented them with garlands. And Lord Krishna was so impressed by the flower, so he named it Malini after Parvati, and that's how the place got its name, Malini Than. And then they came over to this place, that is Rukmini Than, and that's why it's called the twin temple of Likabali, the Malini Than and Rukmini Than temple. Beautiful houses surrounded by these tall trees reminds me of one of my favorite movies. If you're a fan of vampires like me, you will know which movie I'm talking about.
पहाड़ देख रहे हो?
Trust me, once you come to this place, you won't feel like going back home. I just wish I could stay here for some more time. Chalo, next time. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, please do give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook, and do subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you again next time.